AI buddies are a great way to start working with AI characters and to bring your projects to life. But if you want to go a step further, you can explore AI skills. If you're already experienced with programming functions in CoBlocks, this will feel very familiar. But don't worry, we'll start from the basics. AI skills allow your AI buddy to perform actions during a conversation. To use them, you'll first need to have an AI buddy set up. If you haven't done that yet, make sure to watch the AI buddy tutorials first. Let's create our very first AI skill. In this example, we want our rover to be able to move across the planet's surface at a speed we define. To get started, create a new CoBlock script and click Create AI Skill. Give it a name such as Move Forward. Add a short description so your AI buddy understands exactly what this skill does. The parameters you add are the variables you can instruct your AI buddy with, or that it can determine independently during a conversation. We want the rover to move a certain number of meters, so we'll call this parameter distance and set its type to number. Add a short description so your buddy can better interpret it during the conversation, and you can also define a range if you like. Then click Create AI Skill. Now it's time to define what this skill actually does. In this example, we want the rover to move forward, so add the Move CoBlock. Drag the distance parameter into the field, since that's the value we want to control through the conversation. You'll also need to add this skill to your AI buddy when play is clicked. Drag the appropriate CoBlock here and select the skill you just created. And that's it! You've created your first AI skill. Hit play to test it out. And this is just the beginning. Be sure to check out the advanced tutorial to learn more.